Hey y'all, it is a beautiful day in Branson, Missouri. I have my hunk of Burnin love with me. Today is Mother's Day, and
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you. And we are going to make you a breakfast casserole.
Call your mom.
Call your mama.
It's the word today.
So we're going to make a breakfast casserole, and also, you know what is good for supper?
Bacon?
Breakfast.
Yes.
Breakfast is good for supper. So if you want to make this for your mama tonight, super easy. We're going to throw this together. Oven preheated to 375 degrees. We're going to spray our casserole dish with some cooking spray.
You harvest these eggs from the...
I harvested, yes. I harvested these right from Becky.
The egg lady?
The egg lady. That's what we call her, the egg lady. 1 can of Grand's biscuits. And you're just going to take these. We call them Whopp'em biscuits because you whop them. You're going to spread them on the bottom of your pan and kind of mush them all out. Mush them really
Are these
thin.
just the buttermilk or plain?
Yeah, buttermilk. We got buttermilk brand.
I know they got like...
They have every kind. They have flaky, buttery, all kinds. Now I'm going to take a block of, this is sharp cheddar. You can use whatever kind you want, but this is the sharp cheddar. It's 2 cups, so we're going to shred this ourselves. Now, if you don't want to shred it yourself, go ahead and use just prepackaged cheese. Prepackaged shredded cheese.
If you take the time to shred it, I think it's better.
Oh, so much better. Yeah, if you shred cheese yourself, it's so much better.
Is that going to work?
Yeah, you need to kind of mash them all out.
I need a thing. Pampered Chef Biscuit Masher 1000.
It's probably easier if you just use your fingers, but...
I gotta use tools. Look at that.
Yeah, they all need to kind of make the whole...
No gaps?
Yeah, just make the whole thing.
This is supposed to be easy.
Yeah, I'm doing it faster than you with my fingers.
Here. There. Is that good enough?
Looks good. Right, so while I'm shredding this cheese up, we're going to do a half a dozen eggs, and we're going to just whip them up.
If you leave a little shell in it,
Don't leave
extra
shell.
protein.
Don't leave shell in it.
Gives it a nice crunch. I don't know. How do you crack an egg without getting any shell?
Here, let me show you.
Oh, put one in here.
Just like that.
Okay.
All right, I've already browned my sausage. I'm going to show you what I used. I went over to the meat section at my Price Chopper grocery store and got fresh breakfast sausage, and I know it's going to be great. So that's what I got. All right, I'm going to put my sausage on top of this first. Let me get a spoon, and we'll just kind of scatter it. Oh, well, I guess you could pour it in. Put your sausage on, put it right over the top, spread it out evenly.
Oh, that smells good.
All right, now we're gonna put our eggs on top. We had so many people come in the restaurant this week and ask where Greg was. Where's your hunk of Burnin love?
I'm in high demand. Just kidding.
He said, hey, you wanna get some more views on your Facebook? I'll do a video with you if you want. Take a little bit of this bacon and we're just gonna chop it up.
You can never have too much bacon.
Right, you can never have too much bacon.
Right, good.
It looks good, doesn't it? Now you're gonna add these little frozen hash brown patties. Put the cheese, you can layer this however you want. So we could put the cheese on and then the hash browns on top. I think that would be good because it'll give it a good crisp on top of that.
I like my hash browns kind of crunchy myself.
Okay, we're gonna put our cheese on. These little hash brown patties just like that. There we go. Now we're just gonna lay these right on top.
How cool does that look?
Now I'm gonna put a little bit of pepper and salt on top. There we go. All right, now we're gonna pop this in the oven and we're gonna cook it for about 25-30 minutes at 375, and we'll be right back. Look at that. Doesn't that look good?
I'm ready. Oh, look at that.
Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Look at that. Oh yeah.
Oh, that's perfect.
That looks delicious. The recipe called for 25 to 30 minutes, but I think you should cook it for 35 to 40 minutes. All right?
That's good.
Look at that bite. Mmm.
Good.
Oh, yeah. You could even go further and put gravy on top.
Oh, yeah.
But ham, you can do ham in there.
Cubed up ham.
Onions, make it really good. You can do whatever you want. It's a really good breakfast casserole.
That is good.
Yeah, I think you guys are going to love it. So, what do you think?
Good. That is good.
Everybody have a happy Mother's Day and see us here at Local Flavor in Branson, Missouri. Okay.
Thank you.
We'll see ya.